here with Chef Ada Uduma. I performed open heart surgery on her when she was just 33 years of age, and she has become a chef since then, dedicating her life to heart-healthy cooking. So walk me through one of your favorite dishes, the heart-healthy scampi spaghetti.
Okay.
But we made the spaghetti already, so I'll hold on to this. You do the rest.
Okay, no problem. First, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Actually, you cook, and I'll tell you what to do.
Yeah. It's like most of
No, not that one.
I thought the scampi went in next.
No. First, the ginger. And you stir it properly. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. You have to start cooking with low heat. Otherwise, everything will burn before you're done cooking.
So we got ginger and we got garlic, which smells great.
Yeah.
Then you add your onions.
And then some onions. We don't need all of this, so you just use half of this.
Perfect.
Okay.
And you cook these till they're brown or till you smell them?
No, they just sweat until they start to soften up. Right. Okay. Next, some cherry tomatoes.
Do they go in before the shrimp? Because the shrimp have to cook longer.
Yes, they do. You know why?
Why?
Because the seeds in the tomatoes are very acidic, and it hurts your stomach if you don't like cooking. And it gives you the other thing that starts with a G.
Lycopene? Oh, yes. You were bad. How much you put in here?
All of it.
All right, tomatoes are in there. And finally, those little shrimps get in here.
Yeah, but, usually I kind of butterfly them so they cook faster, and, it's better for presentation, but we don't have a knife here.
I do have knives, but they're in the OR. I know you don't want to see those.
Not anymore. Okay.
That was pretty hairy, your operation. She had a congenital problem that had gotten worse with time. So she had like a parachute in her heart, which was really difficult to cut out because you would damage anything around it and you got problems. Right next to where the soul is, by the way. There's a place in the middle of the heart where all...
I know. I saw it. I was like, ew.
Right. Well, you were ill, but not because you saw it. All right. So finally, the magical ingredient.
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Is it cooking?
Well, it's not going to cook. It's television. Cook. We're pretending here.
Okay.
It's not like the operating room where I really do it.
I'm like, I'm not going to eat raw shrimps. Okay. So some of this, not all of it.
What is that, basil?
Basil, basilicum, or coriander. It depends on what you like. This is coriander and this is oregano. That's it. Okay, so we're playing pretend.
We're playing pretend. What's this?
This is broth. You deglaze with that, and then you go...
But not today.
Yeah.
Because we're pretending.
Yeah, and then you stir it all together.
And no salt is added yet.
No, we're not going to add any salt at all. I mean, if you want some salt, you can use salt in the pasta, in the boiling water, but not in the sauce. Okay, now you put the spaghetti.
But what about I'm never going to add this?
Not yet.
Gosh, you're difficult. All right. Nothing changed in you. All right, so the spaghetti goes in here. All right, we mix this all together.
I love it too. Okay. And then you do that. It's sizzling. You just turn it.
And it looks like this eventually.
Yeah. And then, oh, sorry, that was German. And then,
why do you add it so late?
No, because, some of the ingredients, it depends on what ingredients you use. Some of it already have like natural salt in them, so you have to add it at the end. Why are you eating? I'm not done cooking yet.
Look, somebody has to eat.
And then, and then you put the rest of the ingredients there. If you want black pepper.
And it looks like this. Now, I'm going to give you here. You can eat this with a spoon.
A spoon with pasta? The Italian guy.
This is how we do it in America.
I can use this. I mean, you opened me up, but that's the least I can do.
I love the fact that you're dedicating yourself to this. You made us all passionate. No, don't eat that. You won't be able to talk. I'm going to say goodbye to you and thank you very much for making this. You're going to eat it as we go to break. There's plenty of time to eat.
All right.
Thank you for being here, for being a chef. And good luck. Chef Ada. Chef Ada's got lots of hard recipe at DrOz.com. Check her out. Now eat.
I'm gonna start dinner now.
Yeah, and I need your stick.
My stick is in my dick. I give it to you.